Good morning to all. In this video lecture, we are going to know about types of DC generators. They are separately excited and self-excited. Circuit diagram and equations for generated EMF, terminal voltage and armature current are explained in this video lecture. It is useful for first year engineering students and second year triple E students as they are studying the subjects basic electrical engineering and electrical machines 1. Dear students, DC generators can be classified according to their methods of field excitation. They are separately excited and self-excited. Let us take the first one, separately excited DC generator. This is the circuit diagram of separately excited DC generator. If the field winding is excited by a separate DC supply, then the generator is called separately excited DC generator. Field winding has large number of turns of thin wire. Look at the circuit diagram. Here field coil is not directly contacted. There is no electrical contact between field coil and armature coil. Here armature and load are connected in series. So armature current is equal to load current IL. From the circuit diagram we can write terminal voltage. Equation for terminal voltage V, that is equal to Eg, which is generated from armature, generated EMF, minus voltage drop across the armature, IaRa, minus voltage drop from the brush contact, that is V brush. Ra is resistance of the armature winding. V brush is voltage drop at the contacts of the brush. Generally, V brush is neglected because of very low value. From the equation of terminal voltage, we can write equation for generated EMF Eg, that is equal to V plus IaRa plus V brush. Also, we can write equation for electric power developed, which is the multiplication of generated EMF and armature current. And the final one, equation for power delivered to load, that is a multiplication of terminal voltage and armature current. Students, here electric power developed is in the origin, that is generated EMF and armature current. Power delivered to load is at load side, that is voltage across the load called terminal voltage and armature current. The multiplication of voltage and armature current. Let us take self-excited DC generator. If in a generator, field winding is supplied from the armature of the generator itself, then it is called self-excited DC generator. Here, residual flux plays a vital role. It is present in the poles. When the armature is rotated, a small EMF is produced in the armature winding because of residual flux. This EMF produces a small field current in the field winding, then flux per pole increases. The increased flux increases the induced EMF, which further increases the field current. Because of this cumulative process, generator produces its rated voltage. The self-excited generators can be classified depending upon how the field winding is connected to the armature. If it is connected in series with the armature, then it is called a series generator. Second one, shunt generator. Here, field winding is connected across the armature. And the third one is compound generator. Let us know one by one. First one, series generator. This is the circuit diagram of series generator. Here, field winding is connected in series with the armature. Field winding has less number of turns of thick wire. R series is resistance of the series winding. RA is resistance of the armature winding. A and AA are the terminals of the armature. A is positive terminal of the armature. AA is negative terminal of the armature. V is the terminal voltage across the load. We are discussing about series generator. In this generator, field coil, armature coil and load all are connected in series. In series connection, current value will be same. So, IA is equal to I series is equal to IL. I series is nothing but field current. From this we can write the equation of generated EMF Eg is equal to V plus IaRa, that is voltage drop across the armature, plus IaR series, which is the voltage drop across the field coil, and V brush, voltage drop across the brush. Then we can take terminal voltage equation from this one. V is equal to Eg minus IaRa minus IaR series minus V brush. Also, electric power developed is the multiplication of generated EMF and armature current. Similarly, power delivered to the load here is terminal voltage and armature current. Then the shunt generator here, field winding is connected across the armature. In the circuit diagram, field coil, armature coil and the load all are connected in parallel. Here field winding has large number of turns of thin wire. Terminal voltage V is equal to Eg, generated EMF, minus voltage drop across the armature, IaRa. Here shunt field current I shunt can be calculated by taking the ratio between terminal voltage and field resistance or shunt. Also, we can take equation for armature current Ia, which is divided into two, load current and shunt current. So Ia is the addition of load current and shunt current. Power developed by armature is Eg into Ia. Power delivered to load is V into IL. Now the last one, compound generator. Dear students, compound generator consists of both shunt field and series field windings. Depending upon the shunt field and series field connections, compound generator furtherly classified as long shunt compound generator and short shunt compound generator. Let us take the first one, long shunt compound generator. In this type of generator, shunt field winding connected across both series field and armature winding. In the circuit diagram, series field winding connected in series with the armature coil. At the same time, shunt field winding connected across this combination. Let us take the first one, series field current. I series is equal to Ia. Yes, both are connected in series. So Ia also equal to I series. It is divided into two, one for shunt field coil, another one for load. So I series is equal to Ia. It is again equal to IL plus I shunt, load current plus shunt current. And we have to know about shunt field current, which is the ratio between terminal voltage and shunt field resistance. Now we can calculate easily generated EMF Eg. It is equal to V, that is terminal voltage, plus Ia armature current, Ia of Ra plus R series plus V brush. From this we can take terminal voltage at one side remaining at opposite side. That gives the equation V is equal to Eg minus Ia of Ra plus R series minus V brush. And the last one, short shunt compound generator. Here shunt field winding connected in parallel with the armature, and this combination connected in series with series field winding. Here armature current Ia is the addition of shunt field current and series field current. At the same time, series field current also equal to load current. From the circuit diagram, we can calculate easily about generated EMF. Eg is equal to the addition of terminal voltage V and voltage drop across armature IaRa and voltage drop across the series field coil I series R series and brush drop, that is V brush. From the equation of generated EMF, we can calculate easily the equation of terminal voltage V is equal to Eg minus IaRa minus I series R series minus V brush. dear students, voltage across shunt field winding is nothing but the multiplication of I shunt and R shunt. So I shunt and R shunt, that is voltage drop across shunt field winding, is equal to Eg minus IaRa minus V brush. So dear students, in this video lecture I have explained circuit diagram of all the types of generator, and also I have explained equations for generated EMF, terminal voltage, armature current. Thank you all.